Hello, and welcome to Jenny's Journey. Today, we are exploring the USS Albacore. I will give a brief overview of this unique submarine as we walk through. The USS Albacore is a U.S. Navy research submarine. It pioneered the teardrop hull design used in modern submarines. The Portsmouth Naval Shipyard in Kittery, Maine, built her. She was launched in December 1953 and decommissioned in September 1972. She is about 2/3 the length of a typical World War II submarine, which is about 200 feet in length. She is the third vessel of the U.S. Navy to be called the Albacore. It is the first Navy-designed cylindrical-hulled shaped submarine and is the standard for today's modern submarines. Before the USS Albacore, submarines were defined as surface vessels. They could submerge just below the ocean's surface. Wow, that's pretty cool.
Imagine two guys fitting in here.
Yeah.
From this galley, the ship's baker made fresh rolls, bread, pies, cakes, and other pastries. Commissarman Henry J.P. Graves.
Albacore was a great feeder, even by submarine standards. Every other Friday noon, we served either fresh boiled lobster or lobster Newburg. On Newburg Fridays, I would go to the executive officer and ask him to take the secret Newburg ingredients, a bottle of sherry, out of his safe.
Wow.
Because the Navy was dry,
You have no
to
headroom.
have anything but medical
These are
alcohol
tired of the
on
ones
board.
in front.
The cooks were assisted in preparing, serving, and cleaning up after each meal by junior members of the crew referred as mess cooks. After the scullery,
The crew usually consists of 5 officers and 49 men, although only half of the crew were on duty at a time. After being taken out of service, she went to the inactive ship facility in Philadelphia. After 10 years, efforts began to bring her back home to Portsmouth. After 2 more years, the Portsmouth Naval Shipyard towed her.
above your head between the two engine spaces is the after escape trunk.
Right here.
This trunk served the same purpose and functioned the same way as the one in the bow compartment. Located just after the escape trunk is an area known as maneuvering.
In May of 1985, she was finally at her new home. It took an extra 6 months until she was on a concrete cradle. Wow. What does that do?
That's for this for phone.
What does it do?
This
So
is
when you
keeping
wind
your
it-
car going. This is keeping. You have to spin every single time. You have to keep on spinning your whole car.
Oh my goodness.
I like those phones. We need to replace those with all modern phones.
You think so?
Yeah.
More work, huh?
Yeah, more.
More work, the better. The USS Albacore is now on display for visitors to see at Albacore Park in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. To learn more about the USS Albacore and where you can visit her, a link will be in the description. Also, let me know in the comments what you think of this unique research summary. If you've enjoyed coming along with us, leave a like and subscribe for more content.